In this video, I'm going to show you how to handle a situation in which you want to schedule a course at a school, but the course does not show as one you can attach to a teacher. Typically, that means that course has not been made available to the particular school that you're in from the district office in your course management area. So the first thing you want to do is to look to see that you have the course pulled into your district and that you have made it available to schools. So you're going to go to district management, courses and programs, and courses. If you're in the old UI, it's under district setup and courses. This page allows you to search your entire archive of courses. Now, when searching for courses, I always suggest to make sure that you have no schools selected for your year and make sure you have all three options, active, inactive, and unavailable, selected. A lot of people make the mistake by actually trying to choose the school that they're looking for the course in, but if it's not been assigned to that school, it will not show up. So you want to look for anything that has not been associated with any school in any of our three statuses. So you can search by different areas of number, name, and so forth. Typically, numbers we all know, so we can search for those, or by name is the second popular. If by chance you don't see this bar right here, all you would have to do is hit this plus sign and it will populate this search area down here. So I have a course that I quite frequently get emailed about. People will say they can't find anywhere in PowerSchool to assign to a teacher. So I'm going to search for this business software course and notice that I do have this course listed. So that means it has been pulled from the state into the district. Well, the first thing you would need to check once the course actually populates is that has it been assigned to a school to be able to use. So if you click on either of the hyperlinks for the name or the number and go into the course record, there will be an availability tab that will show you if you have made it available for any school. So here's our course setup that we're very familiar with. And we're going to click on the availability tab. Notice in the availability tab, there are no schools that this course has been made available to. So if you're trying to assign this course to a teacher at one of your schools, it will not show up in the populated box. So you would need to click the edit button and find the school you want to be able to use this. So in this case, I want my high school to be able to teach this course. So I'm going to choose the high school, hit the right arrow to make it available over here, and hit submit. You will get a message that says update successful, and you will now see a school associated with that course number. Now, the second possibility that you might have is not that the course hasn't been associated, but maybe the course doesn't fall into this area at all. It won't populate in any kind of search that you do. When that is the case, and that quite often happens with any brand new course that has been created at the department since the go live of PowerSchool back in 2021. So if you have a brand new course, let's say for this upcoming school year, so I've got the courses app opened here. So just for example, this new course right here, Techniques in Molecular Biology, is a new college course that's available. So I'm going to copy that course number. And let's say I wanted to say that that was a dual enrollment course that one of my students are taking at the high school. So I want to search because I'm going to put that up under a teacher. So we'll notice when I search for this course number, it does not exist at all in our database at the district level. So in this case, you would actually need to come up here to new course. And this is how you pull the course in from the State Department into your server. They sit in a staging table, and you have to pull them in to make them activated to be able to use inside of your district. So in the new course page, you can search by name or you can search by number. So number is very easy. So when you start searching, you find the course that you're looking for. I'm just going to choose one of these. And once you find it, you go through and set the course up as if you were creating it basically from scratch. It's going to have the course number, the course name. You choose which schools you want it to be associated with. For what year, so it will be for this year. And in the end of year process, any year that you have available for a course, it automatically rolls it into the next year. So you don't have to every year go back and make all your courses available for the subsequent years. Determine how many hours, how many credits, if you're going to do a local credit type with it, grade scale, and so forth. And then create that course. And so once you create that course, it now becomes a part of your catalog at the district office. Oh, and I'm trying to pull one down. And this one also tells you if you go to try to create it from the state level and you get this error message, that means the course actually does exist. So you want to make sure that your filters don't have anything on them that would prevent it from showing in the original search that you perform for it. But that is how you would go through and pull down a brand new course that you don't see anywhere in the database.